crosses the street, seems embarrassed to be there.